That's a lot of loot. That fire, yeah, she kinda cute. Yeah, she wanna slice. I got Chuck E. Cheese, tats on my chest. Got it on my sleeves. Fill the room with the juice. That's a lot of loot. That fire, yeah, she kinda cute.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit this. I'm on FaceTime with my best friend and she's talking. I had to hang up on her. Okay, let me do that over. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be part of the gang. Today, y'all, I'm cutting my hair off. I'm shaving it bald. Well, not like Terry Crews bald or Mr. Clean bald, but like Amber Rose bald. I want to dye it blonde too. I have been this bald before, so I'm not really nervous, but I've never cut it myself with clippers, so we gonna see what happens. I have these clippers that I got from cosmetology school when I went half guard. I might switch to 1/4, but I don't know. Yeah, we're gonna see. We're gonna fucking see. All right. If it don't come out right, y'all, I will just be wearing a fucking scarf. We on lockdown again anyway. Shit is closed. I will not be going out. Can you check my pizza? Okay, guys, right now I'm just taking the half guard and I'm literally just going through the motion. This is my first time doing this, so I don't really know what I'm doing. And y'all, I was just really tired of this color and my hair is real bad damaged. And as you can see, it's like purple, but also like yellow because I used the purple rinse and it's just like, didn't take all the way. And I was just so over this color. So yeah, I'm using the half guard right now. And later I did switch guards to go shorter. And yeah. Honestly, I cut my hair so much that I just really don't even be caring if it comes out bad. Like, cause hair is just hair and it always grows back. And I know y'all see my last vlog where Esmeralda like really messed my hair up. Shout out to you, girl. Very pivotal point in my life. But yeah, right now I'm switching guards and I'm going way shorter and it is so patchy, like, cause I was trying to go against the grain. Like, I really don't know what I'm doing, but I promise in the end it all worked out just the way it should. Y'all gonna see. Good.
Joseph, what guard did you use? Because why does it look patchy like that?
I don't know how to fix it. I don't know how to fix it. And right here, I just decided to, like, at first I was going down and I noticed I wasn't getting rid of any hair. So I did like flip it and start going in the opposite direction with the clippers. And I had my friend Jada on the phone coaching me, but y'all know she don't really know what she's talking about either. Like, we don't do this also. You know, we always have other people cutting our hair for us, like, so yeah. And right here, I'm just trying my hardest to like line my neck up because I don't like that extra hair to be behind my ear. Oh my gosh. Or behind my neck. Like, I'm just trying to line it up even though I don't really know what I'm doing. But whatever. I'm using my mirror trying to get it done. And now I'm going to go in with my bleach. I'm using my regular little BW2 packet with a 40 volume developer. And you are going to process your hair twice or 3 times depending on what you want. I did not tone my hair. I didn't use toner. Like, I feel like my color came out perfect without it. So I put this bleach on my hair and I let it process for 25 minutes and it started lifting like immediately. Like, y'all gonna see when I bent my head down, like y'all can see it started lifting immediately. And if you have like patchy hair when you cutting it yourself, don't worry, because once you put the bleach on, you can barely tell like the parts that are longer than other parts. So yeah. The wind from the bleach, that shit get in your eyeball.
Yes.
Right now I look like Stan. Eminem. Now I'm just towel drying my hair. You want to make sure it's as dry as possible. I hate when it's so yellow like this. So I put more bleach on, and it's burning so bad, y'all. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. If you want to do it, you should separate it into 2 different days, because I did burn my scalp, but I always burn my scalp. I'm used to it by now. I know that sounds really crazy, but yeah. And I'm bleaching my brows, and I'm using 40 Brow Developers, so I did only leave it on my brows for less than 4 minutes. It already had started lifting at like 1 minute, so don't leave it on. And now I'm brushing. Baby, this is the finished freaking look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And it looks so pretty right here with makeup on. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Purr.